how I have made over $3,370 in the past 4 days with my new ClickBank account in the new niche. Now I have multiple ClickBank accounts. Okay, we are doing thousands of dollars per day. But the most important thing over here is I want to show you, if you're a newbie, if you're a beginner, that yes, it's still possible to make money online with ClickBank affiliate marketing in Google pay-per-click ads as a beginner in 2026. Why? As you can see, my ad spend over here, I know everyone is asking how much have you spent? It's $550. So that was my ad spend on Google Ads, over $500. That's it. And what I have made back in the 4 days, it's, as you can see over here, $3,300, which is really good income. Okay, and that's just the proof, the case study to show you how we are doing this in 2026 if you're a beginner. Maybe you have bought courses on ClickBank from different gurus, and the problem is most courses are outdated. Okay, now what you need in 2026, as you can see over here, I was running only one product in self-help, info product, digital product space. Why? Because it's instant purchase. Okay, instant results, low ticket, and then some upsells. Now let me show you exactly how this works in action. As you can see over here, right? In 2026, what you need is this. We have the search ad, meaning people go on Google, they type in some keywords. Let's say about weight loss, how to lose weight. Okay. Then what happens is they stumble upon your Google ad and they see the quiz funnel. Why quiz? Normal people, normal gurus are teaching you the outdated methods of how to build real functional quiz funnels. Most people you will see, they just ask a bunch of questions without function, meaning, are you male? Are you female? What is your age? Do you want to lose weight? Are you struggling to lose weight? And that's it. And that's why you don't make any money. And again, it's not your fault. You have been following the wrong methods. The right method is having the functional quiz funnel, meaning every single page and question on funnel has to have a purpose. And the purpose is, listen down, write it down, for a person to go through different psychological decision-making processing. Meaning each question move them through emotional states to realize, heck, I have a problem, I need to lose weight, and then offering a solution to that problem. Okay? Problem state, solution state. All sales are happening in the solution state. So your audience, your traffic have to be in the solution state. Don't believe the big lie, which is you need to have a lot of clicks or sales. No, to get a sales. It's not true. You need to have the right clicks, not curiosity clickers, but buyers clicks to get the sales. Now you see, let me show you the proof. On Google, how to get rid of my back pain. What is that? It's solution-seeking audience, meaning they want solutions because they have a problem, they have a pain right now. Okay, like a painkiller. They need a painkiller for toothache right now, not tomorrow, not next year, now. And that's, my friend, how we are making sales and how we are different from all other gurus out there showing you outdated methods that used to work years ago. Okay, why Google? Because it's different. Google traffic is different from social media traffic. When you wake up in the morning, you don't go on Instagram to buy a product, right? You go to chat your family or friends, see what they're up to. You go on Google for what? To get educated or to make a buying decision. That's it. That's it. So you see, people are actively looking for solutions and they are in the buyer's intent mode. How this works in action, let me show you here. You see, it's about market sophistication and product matching. This is what me, as a super affiliate and other super affiliates, we are doing to make thousands of dollars in sales per day. You see, we have to match our product to the market sophistication level. Are they unaware? Are they product aware? Do they even know product exists? Do they even know they have a problem? Because if you're pushing product for weight loss to the person who doesn't even want to lose weight, who doesn't even know they are having a problem with diabetes, then you're losing time and money on those ads. Okay, here's how it works. Let's say we send 500 clicks. Okay, and with our funnels, because we are doing it psychologically, emotionally correct, we get around 9 to 12% conversion rate, sometimes even 20% conversion rates. Why? You can see over here. Let's say 9% conversion rate. Out of 500 people who clicked, 45 will buy. And out of 45 people who bought, they will buy entire funnel, meaning they will buy the front end product plus all the upsells after in the same day. So 40 buyers will buy $47 product only, meaning ebook, a product program, or whatever. And the rest of the 5 will buy $97 upsell. So at the end, 5 people will spend $211 or $300 in a day, and you're gonna make around $3,000 in revenue. That's how you can maximize economics behind clicks on Google pay-per-click ads to scale Google ads as a beginner. Okay, here's how it works, right? You can see this system that we are doing in 2026 is only for people who are real action takers, who are not excuse makers. If you're someone who really wants to get results, maybe for your family, maybe you want to take them to some vacation, like myself, I love traveling. You can check my Instagram, my YouTube. I travel to over 69 countries thanks to affiliate marketing. Okay, if you want to make at least $1,000 to $2,000 plus per week, and if you want one-on-one personal support, that's for you. Okay, so you can see over here. Now you can see what we get done together over the Zoom call with my students. We get up and running 30-40 minutes. We set up 3 times to 4 times per week, and we get it up and running. Okay, you can see over here. Now here's what's included when we are doing our program. You get the Google cash flow system, which is basically psychology of ads, knowing exactly how to match the product on ClickBank to the right audience state. You have male audience, you have female audience. They each think differently. Emotional psychology of male and female audience is different. Okay, yes or yes? You can Google that. You don't have to believe me. But once you know this, the IT, you don't need to be IT expert. No, affiliate marketing is not about IT. It's not about tech stuff. It's about human psychology on a deeper level of marketing. Okay, once you have that takes years to learn. You don't have to do it yourself. Okay, you have to have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step, by hand holding you, so you can actually have sustainable daily results. All right. Now you can connect with me one-on-one. There's my WhatsApp number, correct, my personal phone number, but only text me if you're really serious. If you're ready to invest in yourself and actually get some kind of results in 2026. Okay, you can send me a DM on my Instagram. You can see over here, this is my Instagram, my WhatsApp, email, and Facebook Messenger. It's all in the description under each video. Okay, so if you're serious, if you are action taker, if you actually want to give yourself an opportunity to have results in 2026 in January or going further, let me know. Let me connect with me one-on-one. Let's make something happen.